Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your difficulty in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Destiny 2 game on your device, and once you do that, select the character you want to change the difficulty for, and the mission now. Click on Open Directive, now select the mission. So for example, I'm going to select this mission right here. I'm just going to click on the mission first, and now here you can see this option called difficulty. So it's set on advanced right now. To change it, just left click on it, and here you can see 3 difficulty levels. That's advanced, expert, and master. Now click on any other difficulty you want to change it to. For example, I'm going to click on master, and as you can see, the difficulty level has been set to master. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention this in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!